Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I want to go over something quickly with you. It's called maintenance. On my own vehicles, I change my oil every 3 to 4,000 miles. I know I'm going to get a lot of people commenting on this, but I do. I change my oil every 3 to 4,000 miles. Occasionally I do go up to 5. I don't like to do that, but it does happen. You know, being busy or whatever, I just don't get a chance to do it. All my cars ever have well over 200,000 miles on them. And I want to show you two different engines. They're both 4.6 Ford motors. Changing one, it's got about 120,000 miles on it, and the guy told me he changes his oil roughly every 5 to 8,000 miles, I think he said, something in that range. And we wound up buying a wrecked town car with a 4.6 in it, and we're going to use that motor in his Ford F-150. Now the town car motor has about 90,000 on it. And luckily, when we bought the car, we got all the service records with it. And the guy changes his oil religiously from day one, every 3,000 miles. And I want to show you the difference inside the motors. I don't care what tests you see that show how oil breaks down and how it can last and everything else. I don't give a shit. Don't care. I'm going to show you what actually happens. So let me show you here real quick what the blown motor looks like that I'm taking out, or that I took out. So here it is laying on the ground. It doesn't look terrible. You can see it's varnished, it's brown, it's dark in color. You can see all that. There's really no wear on the cam lobes. It's spun a bearing. But I want to show you something. Here is a motor with 30,000 less miles on it, where the guy changed his oil every 3,000 miles. I did not clean this. I just took the valve cover off. This is what it looks like. There's the timing chains. This shit looks like brand new. There's a timing cover off the F-150. Here's one off the town car. There's the oil down there. I did not clean this. This is how it came off. I'm a firm believer in changing your oil every 3 to 5,000 miles. I really am. If I used synthetic, I'd still change it every 3 to 5,000 miles. Like I said, I'm going to get people commenting saying, oh, you don't have to change it that often. Great, do what you want. I'm telling you what I do. So, anyway, that's about it. Hope you guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.